Okay, so our first functional heading is accounts. Here we can find chart of accounts listed below, along with the option to add a group, add ledger. We have made 4 main groups, basically primary heads, uh, which are assets, liabilities, incomes, and expenses, under which there are groups, general groups, which are under assets. There are current assets, fixed assets, investments. Under liabilities, there are capital account, current liabilities, loans. Under incomes, direct income, indirect income. Under expenses, direct, indirect, and purchases. Now, please note that this chart of account is not final, and this is just used for the demo purpose and for the functional purpose. We also have ledgers under each groups, which can be added or deleted accordingly. Now, first feature, let us understand how to add group. Now for the demo purpose, I'm just adding land and building as a group name. Group code can be given. It's under your discretion. And the parent group is assets. Under assets, it's fixed assets. So I click submit. Now we can see we have land and building under fixed assets. I'll now add another group, which is long term liabilities. Group code again. So long term liabilities comes under liabilities and owner's equity. I click submit, and we have long-term liabilities created as a group. Again, similarly, we have ledgers. Let me create a ledger. So the ledger name, I would keep it as rent. Ledger code, okay. Kindly note the nominal codes are to be assigned, which will be assigned in the process. So now rent is an expense. It is an indirect expense. And so expense, and we have an option here which says debit or credit, and a note saying assets and expenses always show debit balance, and liabilities and income have credit balance. So since it's an expense, it's under debit balance. If there's any opening balance, it can be entered. Otherwise, could be left it as blank. And if there are any notes, we can always enter it. And we click submit. And again, we can find rent created as a ledger. Now this option here, edit and delete, can be used in editing a ledger or a group or a group name. Now so when I choose, I have if I have something to enter here, I can always enter and click submit, and it would be reflected here. So we will be soon introducing nominal codes after taking approval from you. So this is it about accounts. Kindly note, this chart of account listed is not final.